Hi friends, May 24th, 2024. Started my garden this year. A little late. Let's take a look at it. Here's the red bell peppers. Got 2 plants this year. They look nice. The back one is an heirloom tomato. Here's the main vegetable bed. And go right to the red beefy steak tomatoes. They look lovely. Here's the second plant right here. And then this last one is something called a tidy treat tomato. There's our rosemary plant. Continues to be a winner. That's a Japanese pine. It's grown 12 feet since we put it in 3 years ago. Here is our peach tree. The fruit is much better this year. Look how gorgeous that is. No spots. It's just growing up, just like all things need to. Beautiful tree. More veggies. San Marzano tomatoes. These seem to be doing really well as well. And lastly, these are very strong. These are called the Great Tammy hybrid tomatoes. It's going to be another great year. God bless everybody. Good luck with your gardens. Talk to you soon.